Hello, grade 6, and welcome to session 4 of our lesson, which is triangles. Today, we are going to continue the part which is constructing triangles. Let's start.
As we said last time, the equipment needed: ruler, protractor, sharpened pencil, and a compass, depending on the case of drawing. In this session, we are going to talk about constructing a triangle given as. How would we construct a triangle given the length of three sides, side, side, side? Okay, they gave me a hint. We need to use a compass. We use the abbreviation SSS, which stands for side, side, side. So we want to draw a triangle given the measure of the three sides. To do this exercise or this case, we need a ruler and a compass. So let's make an application. Could you draw a triangle ABC with side AB equals 6 centimeter, AC 4 centimeter, and BC 5 centimeter? As we said, when we want to start drawing, we start with the longest side, which is AB 6 centimeter. Now, I want to draw AC 4 centimeter. Where do I have to draw AC? Can you see the problem of drawing AC? 4 centimeter. But to which direction? 4 here or here or here? Why? What is the problem? We don't know the angle which is between AC and AB. Similar, I have the same problem if I want to draw BC. Where should I draw BC? 5 here or here or here or like this? So what to do? AC could be like this, 4 centimeter, or could be like this is 4 centimeter, or could be like this, 4 centimeter. Which one is correct? I don't know. But I have to pay attention. C must be in a position such that BC must be 5 centimeters. So to solve this problem and to draw this triangle accurately, we have to use the compass and draw two arcs from A and B, like this. We start from A and draw an arc 4 centimeter. Similar from B, we draw an arc 5 centimeter. Then we get the triangle ABC of measures 4 AC, 5 BC, and 6 AB. There is only one possible to draw this triangle. Okay, what if you start drawing with another side? Does the shape differ? There is only one size and shape of a triangle if given its three sides. Look, we are drawing a triangle given its side, 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 three sides. It doesn't matter by which side you draw. They are all will be the same or equal triangles. They will be identical triangles. Okay? Like this. If you draw it like this, or like this, or like this, or like this, they are all the same. As you can see, they are all identical, but in different directions. Okay? Look, they are all equal and identical, but in different directions. So, if you start drawing by 4 or by 5 or by 6 centimeters, they are all the same triangles. So now we are going to take the steps of constructing or drawing a triangle given the SSS, three sides. Construct triangle ABC with AB equal to 4 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter, and AC 5 centimeter. First step, we start drawing with the first side, AB, which is 4 centimeter. Then, using the compass, we open it 5 centimeter, and from A we draw an arc for AB, and then we open the compass 3 centimeter and put it on B to draw the second arc, and which is BC. Now join from the point of intersection of the arcs to A and B. then you will get AC and BC. This is the triangle ABC having the measure of its three sides.
Okay, now let's make the final application. Construct the triangle ABC such that AB equal to 8 cm, AC equal to 4 cm, and BC equal to 5 cm. This is the case of side, side, side. So to start drawing, first step, we have to start with the longest side. The longest side here is AB, which is equal to 8 cm. Using the ruler, draw AB from 0 to 8 cm. Mark the points A and B and put the length 8 cm. Then we have to continue drawing the second side using the compass. It's 4 cm from A. So put the compass at 4 cm from A, draw an arc. Then using the ruler, BC is 5 cm, measure 5 cm, put the needle at B and make an arc. The two arcs will intersect in one point, which is the third vertex, which is called C. Then join AC and BC using the ruler and the pencil. Here you get triangle ABC. AC is 4 centimeters, BC is 5 centimeters, and AB is 8 centimeters. You can erase the arcs. By this, we finished our session. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.